Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nice to see you. I am Imran and today I am going to tell you about paragraph writing. There are four types of paragraphs. These are narrative paragraphs, persuasive paragraphs, expository paragraphs, and descriptive paragraphs. So let's start. Paragraph writing. You know that a paragraph is a series of sentences that are organized and coherent. So, the paragraph should be organized and coherent. The organization of the paragraph means that the sentences in a paragraph are ordered and structured to create a unified body of text. And all the sentences are related to the main idea as well as each other. So the all sentences of the paragraph should be related to the main idea of the paragraph. And the coherence in the paragraph means that there should be logical order in the paragraph and there should be chronological order in the paragraph. Moreover, a paragraph is a brief piece of writing that is around 7 to 10 sentences long. So, the paragraph should be 7 to 10 sentences long. The paragraph form refers to a group of sentences focusing on a single topic. So the paragraph should have single topic. It should be written on a one topic. There are four types of paragraphs. So, types of paragraphs. There are four types of paragraphs. These are descriptive, narrative, expository, and persuasive. Expository means that the paragraph which explains something. In the same way, persuasive means that paragraph which seeks to change the reader's mind. Moreover, descriptive is a paragraph which paints a picture for the reader, and the narrative is a paragraph which narrates a series of events. You know, narration is a story, so this paragraph tells us about some event. So remember these things. It should be organized, it should be coherent, there should be 7 to 10 sentences in a paragraph, it should be on a single topic, and there are 4 types of paragraphs. Let's move forward. The basic paragraph consists of 3 parts. So a paragraph should have 3 parts. These parts are a topic sentence, supporting details, and a concluding sentence. Now, the steps of paragraph writing. The steps of paragraph writing include pre-writing, writing, and post-writing. So I told you the paragraph should have 7 to 10 sentences. There should be one topic sentence which will cover a topic. There are supporting details. There are a few sentences which will be supporting sentences. And the last sentence will be concluding sentence. The steps of paragraph writing include pre-writing, writing, and post-writing. Let's discuss these steps of paragraph writing. Steps of paragraph writing. Number one step is pre-writing. It includes outline and second one is brainstorming. mind mapping. Second one is writing itself, and the third one is post writing. It is the revision of your writing in which you will check spelling and grammar. So these are the steps of paragraph writing. Now the parts of paragraph. I told you there are three parts of paragraph. First is topic sentence. Second one is supporting details, and third one is concluding sentence. So how to start your topic sentence? There are some sentence starters. By using these starters, you can start your first sentence. These are, for example, you can start in this way. In general, it is a sentence starter, and you will put comma and you will write your argument. In the same way, you can use other sentence starters. Like generally, in the first place, without any doubt, to be sure, these are the sentence starters. Basically, and first of all. These are the words or sentence starters, and you can use in your first sentence. In the same way, your last sentence will be concluding sentence. So I am going to tell you about some concluding sentence starters. Concluding sentence starters. Concluding sentence starters are to conclude. You will write this word and then comma, and then you can write your concluding sentence. In the same way, you can write in conclusion. Therefore, as expressed, overall, as a result, thus, finally, lastly, one may conclude. It may be concluded, or it is concluded. These are some concluding sentence starters. Now, some tips about academic writing. First of all, you should not use personal pronouns like I and we in academic writing. We do not use I and we in academic writing. For example, I wrote there, it is concluded, or one may conclude. The actual sentence was I or we can conclude. But in academic writing, we use this structure. One may conclude. In the place of we can use one. Okay? Now, another tip. In academic writing, do not use short forms. For example, I have written this, do not. In academic writing, I will not write in this way. Don't use short forms. So, it is incorrect and it is correct. Now, how to make mind map or what is brainstorming? It will be your rough work before writing. you will think about a topic. For example, you have to write about book. So you will think about book, that what comes in your mind. For example, related to book, I have in my mind about author, about title of book, about pages of book, about cover of book, about contents of book. In the same way, you can write different things which come in your mind, and on these things you can write sentences. Or if you are writing an essay, so you can write the paragraphs on these things. Now, how to make an outline? You will make headings and okay, you have to make headings and subheadings. For example, number 1 will be your heading 1. Then there will be 1.1. This will be heading 2. Then 1.2. It will be another heading 2. Then there will be subheadings 1.2.1. It will be your heading 3. Next will be 1.2.2. It will be another heading 3. Now number 2 will be heading 1, another heading 1. Then 2.1 will be heading 2. Then 2.1.1 will be heading 3. In this way, you can make your outline. For example, you have to write about education. So, your first heading will be introduction. Then, your subheading will be what is education. Your second main heading will be education in Pakistan. Their subheadings will be education in Punjab, this will be education in Balochistan, or Sindh. In this way you can make your headings. So it was today's lecture. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.